How to get $100 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. Once you open it, you're going to find tons of promo codes. You can just scroll down and check. $25 off, $20 off, $15 off, and many more. If you're interested in any of the offer, go ahead and click on the option of see details. So here's the coupon code. Now I can copy it. Now I can head towards the website of Uber Eats, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Likewise, if you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of redeem at Uber Eats. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now log into your account, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Also, you can try out these offers. Likewise, make sure you go through these websites, as this website will also provide you tons of promo codes for Uber Eats. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get $100 Uber Eats promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.